everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Happily Exhausted Mama. If you are new here, I am Shayoni. I am a first time mom and I share parenting tips and tricks, also product reviews for both mommies and babies on this channel. So if you are interested, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm there as The Happily Exhausted Mama. So today I'm going to be talking about the Mother Sparsh Intensive Hair Care Treatment Kit. So if you're interested to know more, stay tuned. Right, to begin, thank you to Mother Sparsh for sending this amazing intensive hair care treatment kit. I cannot wait to share with all of you my review of this particular kit. Now, I had already heard about Mother Sparsh from various places. I had used Mother Sparsh products for my baby, but I didn't even know that they had a line for mothers as well. And honestly speaking, this particular line can be used by fathers or by anyone in the family actually. I think this is, something that all ages can use and something that is going to be helpful for anyone who is dealing with dry and damaged hair like me. So because of pregnancy and other hormonal issues and also just general abuse over the years, my hair has become quite different from what it used to be, and therefore I've been looking for something to improve my hair texture and condition and trying to get it back to what it was. And this was something that I really enjoyed using. I've been using this treatment for the last couple of weeks and I've used all the products here. So I'm going to share with you what the products are, what they contain, and what was my opinion of these products. Now, what this particular treatment contains, the first thing is the hair oil. This is the 30 herbs hair oil. Next you have the Shmool hair lape. Also you have the cleanser as well as the conditioner. So you have the cleanser and the conditioner. All the bottles come in cardboard packages like this, and the lape comes on its own, of course. The first product, which is the 30 herbs hair oil. Now we all know that the blend of hair oils is really good for your hair, right? But we don't get the time to mix different oils, and being a new mom, obviously I don't have the time to do all of that. So this is a lifesaver because it has all the oils already pre-mixed and blended along with herbs, so it has really improved the potency of the product. Now some of the important ingredients are Brahmi, Bhringraj, there's Kari Patta, there's Methi, Shikakai, and all these different oils, like there is of course coconut oil, there is neem oil, there's camphor oil, cinnamon oil. So many different oils are also infused in this, that this makes it a very strong and efficient product to use on your hair. Now in terms of its density, you will see it's dropping very easily. It gets absorbed very easily into the hair. It leaves just the right, it feels the right texture. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It definitely has a fragrance. You can definitely smell all the different herbs in it, and therefore it that it's going to work for your hair. You can either leave it overnight if you are comfortable in putting an oil overnight on your hair. Some people really like doing that. I personally enjoy putting oil in the morning and then leaving it on for a few hours and then washing it off in the afternoon when I take a bath. So that's what I have been doing and I've been really enjoying it. The second thing, which is like the star product, right? This is the Shmool hair lape. Now this is a hair mask but in a powdered format. So if you open it, there is a lid inside to keep the powder fresh. So make sure you always put the lid back on, and as you can see, this is in a powder form. So I've used some of it and I've used it both with water and I've also used with curd. Now I really liked using it with curd. You can also use it with amla juice, as the lape says. Now this again contains methi, tej patta, there is brahmi, there is curry leaf, there is triphala. So all these really potent ingredients, really strong, efficient ingredients. And I remember my grandmother used to boil her coconut oil in methi, like put methi in a coconut oil, boil it, cool it, and then use it for her hair. We obviously don't have time to do all of that, and who was going to mix all the ingredients? I remember her also applying a mixture of ingredients on her hair, or offering it to my mom or to me. And now obviously she's too old to do all of that. It's not very easy to get these ingredients in the market also nowadays. So I think this is the perfect hair lape for anyone who wants to go back to their roots, wants to go back and feel that same texture on their hair, and take care of their hair in the old way. So this is already everything is done for you, right? The ingredients are fresh, they're in a powder format, they're going to be fresh for 2 years, and all you have to do is mix it with a little bit of water. You can mix it with curd, you can put some egg in it, you can put amla juice. So you know, whatever you want to add, you can do it. Make it a nice paste. Because I have short hair, I know this is going to last me a very long time. And then wash it off after 30 to 45 minutes. Make sure it's not too dry on your hair, so it's going to be difficult to take off. I think 30 to 45 minutes is the perfect amount of time for the lape to work on your hair. And then just wash it off with the cleanser. What I've also been doing is adding a few drops of the hair oil into the lape. I thought that also added a little bit more oiliness to the lape, and I also enjoyed that. Now coming to the cleanser. Now the hair cleanser again is very light, it's mild, but it does a fantastic job of cleaning your hair. Now I was very concerned when I first started using it. I was like, is this going to clean my hair, or especially with all the lape and everything? But all my worries were of no use, because it worked really well. You might have to use it a couple of times because it is mild, but once you finish using the cleanser, you will know that your hair is light and feels airy and it feels clean most of all. Again, the cleanser comes light brown color. It's like this. It's not too thick. It is a little different texture from your regular shampoos. So yeah. So this also lathers pretty okay. It's not a very strong lather, but it is not like there is no lather at all. It's nothing like that. So I really liked the cleanser also. And again, the cleanser has a mild fragrance. The ingredients of the cleanser are very similar to the other ingredients in this particular kit, which is Bhringraj, Brahmi, there's Rita, there's Neem, there is Akhrot, which is walnut oil. So all of these ingredients are there in the hair cleanser as well, which makes it a perfect combination with all the other items in this kit. And the last product, this is the hair conditioner, and this is my favorite product. I was the most surprised using a hair conditioner because I had used Ayurvedic shampoos before, but I had never seen such a nice hair conditioner from any Ayurvedic brand, which felt so nice on your hands and on your hair. It's not gloopy, it doesn't leave a thick film on your hair or your hands. I'm sure all of you can relate when I say that you put on some conditioner and then you wash your hands and you can feel that conditioner all over your hands, and it takes so much time for you to like wash it off your hands. Any hair mask also does the same to you, whereas this conditioner is very light, it's very soft, and it gets absorbed into your hair. You leave it for 2 or 3 minutes and you can feel your hair shiny and smooth. This feels like a conditioner that I can use on a more regular basis, and it's going to give me great results. So again, the conditioner has Brahmi, it has Bhringraj, it has Shikakai, it has Amla, it has Jaba Pushp, obviously, which is the star of this particular line, which is hibiscus. So the hair conditioner again is very light. I'll show you how it looks. So you can see it's very light, like super light. It's super light. It's got a light ash color, I would say, and yeah, so it's very easy to work with, and it can easily be you can easily apply it onto your hair and you can wash it off easily. It does not feel like your hair has been weighed down whatsoever. So I really like the conditioner. So overall, this particular intensive hair care treatment has been a hit with me for the last 2 weeks. I am definitely going to use up the rest of these products, and also my husband loves it. Like when I mentioned to him that, oh, my hair feels so nice, he went ahead and used it, and he also loves the shampoo and the conditioner. So therefore, that is why I said all members in the family can use it, and I think they will all enjoy it. And you should be happy knowing that it's a 100% Ayurvedic product. There is nothing which is artificial in this, and it's been made with a lot of love and care. So just like the brand promises, it's Mother Sparsh. So if it's good for babies especially, it has to be good for mothers as well. So with that, my review is over. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you have any questions, please write in the comments down below. Also, I will put the link of these items in the description box so you can go check them out. I hope to see you soon again in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.